Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare sweet and salt diamond cut biscuits with whole wheat flour. This is a very easy and quick to prepare kids' favorite tasty snack. To prepare sweet diamond cuts, you need 1 cup whole wheat flour, half cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons butter or ghee, tiny pinch of cardamom powder, and tiny pinch of baking soda. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients together. First, mix the flour evenly with butter. Then add required water and mix. Make a tight, smooth dough. Divide them into small balls. Dust with flour and roll them thick. Make diamond-shaped cuts. And air dry for minimum 15 minutes. Heat required amount of oil to deep fry. Add small batches of diamond cuts. Cook in medium flame throughout the process. Keep tossing and turn the pieces to cook evenly on all sides. The biscuits are now colored evenly and well cooked. The biscuits will be soft, fresh after frying. They will turn crisp only after cooling down. To prepare salt diamond biscuits, take half teaspoon ajwain in a small bowl. Soak in boiling water for minimum 10 minutes. Then filter out to get ajwain flavored water. Take 1 cup whole wheat flour, ajwain water, 2 tablespoons butter or ghee, half teaspoon salt, and tiny pinch of baking soda. In a mixing bowl, add all the ingredients together. First, mix the flour evenly with butter. Add ajwain water and mix. Then add required amount of water and mix. Make a tight, smooth dough. Dust with flour and roll them thin. Make diamond-shaped cuts. Air dry for minimum 15 minutes. Heat required amount of oil to deep fry and add small batches of diamond cuts. Cook in medium flame throughout. Keep tossing and turn the pieces to cook evenly on all sides. The biscuits are colored evenly and well cooked. Both the sweet and the salt diamond cut biscuits are now ready. They are an addictive, tasty snack. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.